and good morning to all. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to find out the inverse of matrix having order 3 by 3 by using elementary row transformation. So student, 4 marks question will be asked on this point. So student, there are two methods which are used to finding the inverse of matrix having order 3 by 3. First one, that is Bode method, which are uses in Bode. While second method, that is called direct method, which are used for IIT, JEE and CET. This method is not applicable for Bode. Understood? So these methods are used to finding inverse of any 3 by 3 order matrix in a short time. This method also useful to verify your answer which you calculated by using Bode method. So today in this video we are going to learn about first method, that is Bode method. So student, while finding the inverse of matrix by using Bode method, you have to follow some rules. These rules are displayed on your screen. I will pause this video for a while, so please note down it. So student, your first rule is check the matrix, either it is singular or non-singular. Okay? For this purpose, find the value of determinant of given matrix. If the value of determinant of its matrix is equal to 0, then the matrix is said to be singular matrix. And if the matrix is singular, then its inverse does not exist. Understood? If the determinant of given matrix is not equal to 0, then the matrix is said to be non-singular matrix. And if the matrix is non-singular, then its inverses exist. Means here you have to note one thing, for finding the inverse of any matrix, the matrix must be non-singular. Understood? Your second rule is consider AA inverse is equal to I. Okay? So here one question is arised that why do you want to take this? Okay, so student, you know that the product of any number with its reciprocal is always equal to 1. Means for example 5 is the given number, its reciprocal is 1 by 5. So product of these two numbers is always equal to 1. Similarly, if A is the given matrix, then its reciprocal is 1 by A. So its product is also 1. Understood? So A multiplied by this 1 by A is also write as 1 by A raised to power 1 is equal to 1. A multiplied by 1 upon A raised to power 1 according to law of indices you can also write as A inverse. Okay. So A multiplied by A inverse is equal to 1. 1 means identity. Identity means I. And because of that you have to consider here A inverse is equal to I. Understood? That is your second rule. Okay, your third rule is now substitute the value of matrix A and matrix I in this form. Understood? Your fourth rule is now convert this matrix A into identity matrix by performing suitable operation on row. So here you have to note one thing, you have to apply the same operation on right hand side also. Understood? So due to this what happened, this matrix A is converted into identity matrix, while this A inverse remains as it is, while this identity matrix is converted into one new matrix, and this new matrix is your required inverse. Understood? And your last rule is, while converting this matrix A into identity matrix, you have to use this pathway. Means suppose this is your matrix A. Okay. So initially convert this element into 1. Okay. After that convert this element into 0. Okay. After that convert this element into 0. Understood? Then convert this element into 1. Okay. Then convert this element into 0. Okay, then convert this element into 1. Then convert this element into 0. Then convert this element into 0. And lastly, convert this element into 0. Understood? To understand better this rule, let us take one example. You are to given this matrix A having element and your question is find A inverse by using elementary row transformation. Okay? So student, what is your first rule? Check the matrix, either it is singular or non-singular, and for that purpose find the value of its determinant. Okay? So determinant of A. So here the value of determinant is equal to 2, means it is not equal to 0, means this matrix is a non-singular matrix. Okay? And if the matrix is non-singular, then its inverse is exist. So write down here, A is a non-singular matrix and therefore A inverse is exist. Okay? So student, this is your first rule. What is your second rule? Consider A inverse is equal to I. So write down, now consider A inverse is equal to I. This is your second rule. Understood? Now what is your third rule? Now substitute the value of matrix A and matrix I in this equation. Okay? So substitute. Matrix A means 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. Okay, A inverse as it is. Identity matrix means 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, this is your third rule. Then what is your fourth rule? Now you have to convert this matrix A into identity matrix. Okay, by applying suitable operation on row. Understood? But at the same time you have to apply the same operation on right hand side also. But while converting this matrix A into identity matrix, you have to follow this pathway. That is, initially make this element 1, then you have to convert this element into 0, then you have to convert this element into 0. Understood? Then you have to convert this element into 1, then you have to convert this element into 0, then you have to convert this element into 1, then it convert into 0, then convert this element into 0, and lastly convert this element into 0. Understood? So initially you have to make this element into 1, but in our given matrix it is already 1, so leave it. Understood? Now make this element into 0, but in the given matrix this element also 0, so leave it. Then you have to convert this element into 0. Okay, so this element is 1. Okay, but this element are present in third row, so write down row 3 changes, row 3. Okay, so you have to convert this 1 into 0. Okay, so the corresponding element of 1 is 1, which are present in row 1. So perform this operation, that is row 3 minus row 1. Because of that, what happened? This 1 minus 1 means this element is converted into 0. Okay, so here row 3 changes. Because of that, write down the element of row 1 and row 2 as it is, means 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, now perform this operation. 1 minus 1 means 0, 2 minus 2 means 0, 1 minus minus plus 1 means 2. Here also write down row 1 and row 2 as it is, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now perform this operation. 0 minus 1 means minus 1, 0 minus 0 means 0, 1 minus 0 means 1. Okay, so in this way this element are converted into 1, then this element are converted into 0, then this element are converted into 0. Now you have to convert this element into 1, but in the given matrix this element is already 1, so leave it. Then you have to convert this element into 0, but this element is already 0 here. Okay, so leave it. Then you have to convert this element into 1, but this element is 2. Okay, these elements are present in third row, so write down row 3 changes, row 3. And you also know that while converting any element into 1, multiply that number by its reciprocal. Okay, so the reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Okay, now perform this operation on row 3. So student, here you have applied the operation on row 3. So because of that, write down the element of row 1 and row 2 as it is. 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay? 0 multiplied by 1 by 2 means 0, 0, 1. Here also 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 means write down the element of row 1 and row 2 as it is. Multiply this row 3 by 1 by 2 means minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. Okay? Now you have to convert this 1 into 0. Okay? So this 1 is present in second row. So write down row 2 changes row 2. Okay? Its corresponding element is 1 which is present in row 3. So R2 minus R3. Okay? Perform this operation. So friend, now this row 2 changes. Because of that, write down row 1 and row 3 as it is. Row 1 means 1, 2, minus 1. Row 3 means 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now perform this operation. Row 2 minus row 3. 0 minus 0 means 0. 1 minus 0 means 1. 1 minus 1 means 0. A inverse as it is. Perform the same operation on other side also. So write down row 1 and row 3 as it is. 1, 0, 0. Minus 1 by 2. 0, 1 by 2. Okay. Now row 2 minus row 3. 0 minus minus plus 1 by 2. 0 plus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2. 1 minus 0 means 1. 0 minus 1 by 2 means minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now convert this element into 0. But this element are present in first row. So write down row 1 changes row 1. Okay. Its corresponding element is 1. Okay. Minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So plus row 3. Okay. Now perform this operation on row 1. Okay. So here row 1 changes. Because of that, write down the element of row 2 and row 3 as it is. That is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now perform this operation. 1 plus 0 means 1. 2 plus 0 means 2. Minus 1 plus 1 means 0. Now perform the same operation on other side. Write down the element of row 2 and row 3 as it is. Now perform this operation, that is row 1 plus row 3. 1 minus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2. 0 plus 0 means 0. 0 plus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2. Understood? Now, lastly, you have to convert this element into 0. Understood? So, these elements are present in row 1. So, write down row 1 changes row 1. Okay? So, 2 minus 2 equal to 0, but its corresponding element is 1. Okay? So, multiplied it by 2. Because of that, what happens? Now, it becomes 2. So, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So, perform this operation on row 1. So, write down the element of row 2 and row 3 as it is. Okay. Now, perform this operation. Row 1 minus 2 times row 2. 1 minus 0 means 1. 2 minus 2 means 0. 0 minus 0 means 0. On the other side also, you have to apply the same operation. Okay. So, write down the element of row 2 and row 3 as it is. That is 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. Okay. Now perform this operation, that is row 1 minus 2 times row 2. Okay. Row 1 means 1 by 2 minus 2 times row 2 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 means minus 1 by 2. Okay. 0 minus 2 times 1. 0 minus 2 means minus 2. 1 by 2, row 1 means 1 by 2, minus 2 times R2, R2 means minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2, minus minus plus, 2 cancel means 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2. Okay. Now what happened? This matrix A is converted into identity matrix. And here, one new matrix is formed. So friend, this matrix is your required inverse. So write down A inverse is equal to minus 1 by 2, minus 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 1, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. Okay, so this is your required answer. Understood? I hope you understood and enjoyed today's portion. And if you really understood and enjoyed today's portion, then some problem are displayed on your screen. So solve it at home and please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you and have a nice day to all.